environmental students. Miss Crowley here. We are in week 2 of the third quarter. Last week, you were just supposed to leave a comment or 2 or 3 about the field trip to the Raptor Center. So something that you learned about the birds or something that you learned about the Raptor Center. If you didn't do that, you can still do it. I've included a video of a field trip to the Raptor Center. So you can, if you weren't able to come to the actual field trip, you can watch that. Now we are in week 2, and so if you go into this folder, you are in here right now listening to the video. Basically, I put the observations in the Nearpod, or not the observations, I'm sorry, the directions for the activity in a Nearpod. So click on here. It will give you much better directions than I'm giving you right now. Here's the code. So you can either use the Nearpod app and just type in the code, or you can click here and join that way. I think it's easiest to do the app and put in the code. Now remember to put your name first and last when it asks you to do that. So make sure you do that. If you don't know how to do it, here's a video to watch on how to use Nearpod. So once you listen to the directions, then you're going to go to the chew, which is the part that you have to do. Okay, so here is the PDF you have to upload to Notability, the Raptor Lab Wonder Walk. Right here, it's going to look like this. Okay, now I describe how to do it in the Nearpod. So this is what you're going to turn in. I put in helpful links. So you are going to make observations, 10 observations about birds from, you can go outside, but it's going to be awfully cold. So you could also just look outside your window and make observations, or you can use this, the Hummingbird Live Camera link. So you can click on that and you can see all the cute little hummingbirds and you can make observations that way. So there's 3 different ways. Either go outside for maybe a walk and notice things, look outside your window and notice things, or use this live hummingbird feeder in California, Studio City, which is right near Los Angeles, California. Obviously studio, because that's where they make a lot of movies. So the Nearpod is just the directions. I also included the links that you need. Here's the live hummingbird feeder. It also asks you to find the weather for where you are. So if you are doing it by looking out the window, here's the weather for the Twin Cities, weather for the hummingbird feeder in California. So you can use these links, or just it's Los Angeles, California, and Twin Cities, or St. Paul, you know where you live. And then you upload that to, once you fill it out, you upload it to the assignment in Schoology. Okay, so you're going to come up with 3 wonderings. So I wonder how, or I wonder if. So just 3 wonderings that you have, because in science we do make observations and then we do make wonderings or questions. So then next week we're going to work on forming some questions and then writing some hypothesis and then actually testing. So this is just the first part of the assignment. All right, if you have any questions, again, you can always come to, I'm not recording this, am I? Or am I? You can always come to, I'm sorry, now I don't know if I'm recording or not. Yes, I am. So now I can stop. You can come to office hours, sorry, from 2:30 to 3, Monday through Thursday. Also, you can come to the live Google Meets. I have my window open from 9:30 to 10:30 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And it's always Sci Crowley. All right. I'm hoping that we have a great third quarter. So just, you can email me if you have any questions. All right. Thanks. The hummingbirds are so cute. Look at them. Just love them.